Want to spread your wings beyond Upwork and Fiverr? Stick around. This video is going to be a doozy. I have to thank the featured comment by Shannon Coetzee. And Shannon says, "Hi, please do a video with all the different freelancer platforms I'd love to watch." Shannon, you better be watching. Thanks, Shannon. So I've been looking forward to making this video, but it's long. A lot of research, a lot of comparison coming right up. So here's how this is gonna go. I'm gonna give you the name of the platform and why it's awesome. Just that. But I'll also tell you who this platform is most suitable for. So don't rush there and get disappointed. Sound good? Let's get started. Fiverr. This is the most popular freelancing platform. As a matter of fact, a lot of people send me messages trying to find out about Fiverr versus this platform or Fiverr versus that platform. And apparently 1 million people can't be wrong, or can they? Personally, I don't really like their fee structure, so I've never ever dealt with Fiverr. Now, if you're a Fiverr freelancer, do me a favor and comment below and let me know what you believe are the pros and cons of working on the platform. The second is Upwork, Upwork.com. Now, while this is the largest freelancing platform in the world, I'll be the first to admit that you really have to work hard to get a high job success score. There's job success scores, there's readiness tests. Reputation is everything on Upwork. But if you want to fast track your success, take a page out of my book and bring clients to the platform. They actually incentivize you to do that, and that will improve your job success score and help you improve your reputation on the platform, thereby making it easier for you to get clients. Number 3, Thumbtack. Now, I've only recently heard of this platform, and now you have too. There's barely any competition on Thumbtack, but here's why. You pay almost $2 for every single client, and the more competition there is for a specific project, the more you pay. I'd never pay for work. That's just not my style, so do with that information what you may. Now, our 4th platform is Toptal. Speaking of my style, I like Toptal. It's basically where the highest paid freelancers chill. So if you want to get paid the big bucks, build a solid portfolio for yourself on another platform. And then head to Toptal, because now you have what I like to call social proof. Number 5, Freelancer.com. I've spoken about this platform before in previous videos. Now, back in the day when I was starting out, the UI or the user interface of this platform, it just didn't do it for me. I didn't come back since then, really. But in 2022, it's still a viable source and a viable platform for clients, especially for someone who isn't getting any joy from other platforms. I would say you should cast a wide net and then see what happens. And there's Guru. Now, I know the name implies it, but I promise you, you do not have to be a pro to actually be on this platform and create an account there. Skilled beginners, emphasis on skilled beginners, are allowed on Guru as well. Now, the only thing is that unless you pay for membership, you can't reach out to potential clients. Moving on. Number 7, Simply Hired. Now, this is a platform for the pros and the pros only. But the gag is, the website's developers haven't quite managed to get rid of the more undesirable elements like spam and scammy contracts. By the way, let me know if you'd like me to show you the anatomy of a scammy Upwork contract. Members of our secret group already know what this looks like, so if you want to join the secret group, it's in the pinned comments down below. Anyway, they know how a scammy contract looks, and they even work like ninjas to flag and report these projects when they see them. And this helps make the platform more trustworthy for the rest of us. So join the group and get access to a community that shares projects, opportunities, and wins. The 8th platform is people per hour. Now, unlike Upwork, this platform does what's called automated invoicing, which, if you've watched my previous video on taxes, especially taxes for freelancers, you will definitely appreciate automated invoicing. Now, however, unlike Upwork, no matter how long you work with a client, you'll still have to pay a 20% fee for the privilege of using the platform. Then there's the 9th, Behance. This one's been popular since I was in high school. And if you're a graphics designer or an illustrator, you've probably not only heard of it, but used it. Now you can even link your Behance profile on other freelancing platforms like Upwork. 2 birds, 1 stone. And the 10th platform is called 99 Designs. This is another popular graphics design platform, but the fees. If you hire someone from 99 Designs and you think they're expensive, please cut them some slack. It is a very expensive platform to find work on. Then there's something called SolidGigs. This one's really cool in that the job opportunities are completely based on your preferences. So you never feel like you have to send a proposal or a pitch as soon as possible. Oh my God. With this, unfortunately, comes a subscription fee. So you know how I do. I'll pass. 12th is Flexjobs. Now, if you're based in the US and you're a copywriter, you're gonna love it there. The only thing is, again, you have to pay a subscription fee. So again, I'll pass. The 13th platform is called Design Crowd. Now, if you're a beginner looking for something like a hackathon style platform or an experience, then this is your site. Okay? Design Crowd allows you to experiment with all sorts of design and design projects and then win prize money. So as you improve and you build your portfolio, you'll be able to take advantage of all the other platforms that I've just mentioned. So go for it. Acquent. Now, I don't know if I'm saying this right. Is it Acquent or Acquient or Acquent? Or I think it's Acquent, like acquaintance. The cool thing about this platform is that it's purely automated. This means that you just need to fill things in like your preferred rate, what you do, and then the platform goes ahead and finds the clients for you. How cool is that? And then there's the 15th platform called Konker or Konker with a K. If you're an SEO whiz and don't want to have multiple specializations like you would on Upwork, then this is your spot. Number 17 is We Work Remotely. Now, this isn't technically a job board like Upwork and everything else. This is more of like a job marketplace, like an Amazon for jobs. So that means that you can't be hired and coordinate your payments and all of that good stuff through We Work Remotely. But it's free and low-key, you didn't hear it from me. Their search engine algorithm might be coming for Upwork's lunch money. I'm just saying. Platform number 18 is called Freelance writing. I mean, it's right there in the name. But here's the thing. It's strictly just a job board. Again, that means that you're in charge of reaching out. You're in charge of applying to projects. You're in charge of getting hired. You're in charge of coordinating payments and all of that once you've done the work. So there's no escrow and there is most certainly no payment protection like there would be on a platform like Upwork. Platform number 19 is called ServiceScape. Now, in order to do really well on this platform, you have to be good at optimization. Watch my previous video on how to optimize your Upwork profile to see exactly what I mean. So you can't submit proposals on this platform. Nada. The client finds you. Platform number 20 is called Working, not Working. Okay, so this is an overall amazing platform for creatives. Whether you're a director, you're an animator, you're an architect, you're a designer, you're a copywriter, you're an editor, you're a developer, you're a photographer, you name it. But if you think Upwork is competitive, wait till a creative like you goes on working, not working. So for me, I'll pass. Platform number 21, CrowdSource. Okay, I've heard of this platform in passing. So the thing is, you really have to earn your stripes there. Newbie freelancers on CrowdSource are expected to be cheap, and then they're only allowed to increase their prices gradually. So you all know how I feel about that. Let's move on. Platform number 22. It's called Codeable. Now remember when you asked me which niches pay over $100? This is one of those platforms that makes sure of it. Codeable was made for freelancers who have experience coding for WordPress, for example. But just like Upwork, it's a free platform that takes a commission, so just note that. Now let's move on to the next platform. Platform number 23. It's called Production Hub. If you're a videographer and you're struggling to get work anywhere else, you're gonna love it here. You can get once-off and even long-term projects with a skill that's what I consider a low-hanging fruit skill. For you, video editing, right? And then platform number 24, fancy hands. Now, we have a few virtual assistants in our private secret community who find Upwork way too competitive. So Fancy Hands is another platform strictly for virtual assistants. Now, if you're up for this challenge, it could be a very, very profitable, highly profitable platform for you. But I'm gonna give you a caveat. You have to be living in the United States to use it. It's not a worldwide platform. And finally, the 25th platform is called Test Birds. The name is self-explanatory. This is a platform where you get paid for user testing. Now, here's the thing. There are a lot of user testers on this platform, but the projects are sporadic. So, my advice, if you have the time, create a profile on Fiverr, on Upwork, on Codeable, if you can code, CrowdSource, and ServiceScape. Your Upwork profile is going to actually help you become sticky on ServiceScape so that the clients find you. And then you'll still have Upwork. You'll have your connects on Upwork. Follow me on Instagram to find out what a connect is. And you can use that to pitch for projects so you can practice and also become an active user according to the Upwork algorithm. So start there. And that's it from me, everyone. I hope I gave you some food for thought. And if you'd like more videos like this, remember to like and comment and let me know. I'd love to hear it. And I'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.